This is Suman Jain, and today you're watching about lead magnet. What exactly is lead magnet, and how does this lead magnet help us to build our business or create our business or expand our business to a next level? Lead magnet is nothing but is an incentive that marketers offer to potential buyers in exchange for their emails, address, or other contact information, other personal contact information like their name, phone number. Uh, in order to do that, lead magnets usually offers a piece of digital downloadable content such as free PDF checklist, reports, ebook. You can see over here the type of lead magnets. They might be reports, toolkits, software download, quiz surveys. If you attend this particular surveys, you get certain amount of tips, and blind or sales materials or cheat sheets, video training, handouts, discounts or free shipping, assessment test, step 1 of order form, something like that. So there should always be a promise to be fulfilled. All right. So these are certain points, the checklist for lead magnet. First one is ultra specific. Lead magnets should never be vague and ball chicken. They must all offer an ultra specific solution to an ultra specific market. For example, if your niche is about Facebook, then you need to give them the solution of how to create a Facebook ad in just about 10 minutes. It is like specific. Within 10 minutes, you would be able to help them by creating your Facebook ads account. So which is an immediate solutions. Next one is one big thing. Everyone wants a magic pill or silver bullet. So it is always better to make and deliver one big promise as opposed to a lot of little ones. Speak to a known design end results. What does your market really want? If you can figure out that and offer a lead magnet that promises it, and they will gladly give you their contact information. Talk about the size of holes, not the size of the drills, right? Immediate gratifications. Avoid using newsletters which says about 5 days or 7 days or 21 days boot camp or something like that. Instead of that, you need to provide the solution within 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, something like that, where your market wants a solution and they want it now and immediately. Shift the relationship. The best lead magnets do more than they inform. They actually change the state and mindset of your prospects, so they prepare to engage in future businesses with your company. Next one, high perceived value. Just because it's free doesn't mean it should look free. So in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to create a very good graphics or a good designer imaginary to establish real monetary value for your lead magnet in the mind of the visitor. For an example, if you're offering a 1-hour training, a video training, what you can do is you can package it in such a way that with a good graphics, with the videos, along with that you can give them a value of $97 free, something like that, so that which establish a real monetary value for your lead magnet in the mind of your visitors. High actual value. If your lead magnet is all sizzle and no stick, you may get their contact information, but you will lose their attention. To win, you most promise and deliver the goods. Rapid consumptions. You don't want your lead magnet to be a roadblock in your sales funnel. So ideally, it should be able to consumed or experienced either in 5 minutes or less. In other words, avoid long, boring ebooks that take days to read. Usually, whoever has the problems, they're finding solutions, and if you can give them the solution immediately, they would follow you, and whatever you send, they would accept it, right? You can see these are different types of lead magnets, okay, depending upon different kinds of industries. The first one is like useful lead magnets, education lead magnets, entertainment lead magnets, community building lead magnets, bottom of funnel lead magnets. So there are various kinds of lead magnets. You can see here funnels with a diagram. With a lead magnet, what exactly you do? You create an awareness. Once you create an awareness, then the interest of that prospects increases, and once the interest increases, the decision power increases, and once there is a decision whether they want to buy it or not, they take an action, either yes or no. That is where if they take an action yes, then that is what they targeted, and you would see a lot of money coming in, pouring in into your bank account. So you can see these are different kinds of leads we capture with different kinds of industries, which I showed earlier. You can see here like a lot of plugins or WordPress training or something like that. You just wanted their email so that you can provide them the information, giving them resources. And again, kind of cheat sheets. Again, kind of try it for free. Or even one more is in order to attract more leads and build your list, you can give them some discounts or some $25 off, or for on your first order, something like that. So if you do that, that is where you create an awareness in the mind, which is immediate action. Because if you can see on $25, it's an immediate. If you put your email, you get your $25 off immediately. So that is what you need to create in an offer, right? So if you create that, then you attract more leads and build your lists, and you consume them. At the same time, you help them to take more decisions. So if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, which is sumanjain.com/YouTube, and follow me for upcoming more videos. Thank you so much.